In this video, I'm going to show you how to add in Base44 using its AI chat interface, so you can build apps, create websites, and handle data-related tasks just by typing simple conversational prompts. This is a super easy workflow, especially if you want to get things done quickly, without needing to learn complicated tools or workflows. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Base44 and sign into your account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see the main AI chat interface. This is where all the magic happens. Instead of searching through menus or trying to manually configure everything, you can simply type what you want Base44 to do. For example, if you want to build an app, you can describe the app idea in plain language. If you want to create a website, you can explain the type of website, the pages you need, and the style you want. If you're working with data, you can tell Base44 what kind of task you want completed, like organizing information, analyzing content, or generating structured output. The key here is to be clear and conversational. Think of it like giving instructions to a helpful assistant. You do not need to overcomplicate it. Just type your request into the chat box, then submit it, and let Base44 process your prompt. After that, Base44 will generate results based on your instructions. Depending on the task, you may see a draft app, a website layout, or a data-related response that you can review and refine. If the first result is not exactly what you want, you can keep chatting and add more detail. You can say things like, change the layout, adjust the text, add a new section, or make the design cleaner. This back-and-forth process is one of the best parts of Base44 because it makes building and editing feel much easier. It also saves time because you can improve your project step by step without starting over. If you are using Base44 for the first time, the best approach is to begin with one simple prompt, check the output, and then refine it in smaller steps. That way, you stay in control while still letting the AI do the heavy lifting. You can use Base44 for faster prototyping, quick website ideas, app creation, and other data-related workflows, all from the same chat interface. So the main thing to remember is this. In Base44, you add what you want by typing it directly into the AI chat. No extra setup, no complicated explanation, just clear instructions in plain language. And that's how to add in Base44. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.